Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down some of Google's latest AI updates. And trust me, these are tools so powerful, they're completely changing the game for how we build software and create content. We're talking about going from a simple idea to a finished product almost instantly. So let's just jump right in with a question that really gets to the core of this first big update. Is it actually possible to build a whole functioning application from just a single sentence without writing a single line of code? Well, first up, let's talk about Firebase Studio. This is a new tool from Google that basically says, yeah, you can. It promises to turn your app ideas into a reality in just a few minutes. So what is Firebase Studio? The best way to think about it is like your own personal AI coding partner. It's totally free, it's all on the cloud, so you don't need a supercomputer to run it, and all you have to do is give it a text prompt. From there, it builds the entire blueprint for a full-stack app. And that just means it handles everything, the part you see and click on, and all the complicated stuff in the background that makes it work. And the process itself is just incredibly simple. Step 1, you just describe your idea in plain English. The AI then spits out a whole blueprint. It even comes up with a name for your app, figures out the core features, and picks the technology. Then it actually codes a working prototype for you, and when you're ready, you can publish it right from the platform. And this is where it gets really cool. From just one simple sentence, create a language learning app teaching me Italian, the AI built a complete app, kind of like Duolingo. It came up with the name Colingo all on its own and built out features like quizzes, ways to track your progress, and vocabulary lists. Now, here's the part that really matters. This isn't just some pretty picture of an app. It's a working prototype. You know, core things like the audio actually playing Italian words so you can hear them, that stuff worked right out of the box. That is a huge leap from just having an idea to having something you can actually click around in and use. Okay, so let's switch gears a bit. We've talked about building apps. Now let's talk about creating content. We're going to check out a head-to-head showdown between two new AI video generation models, Google's Veo and a competitor called Kling. So the setup for this little competition was pretty straightforward. Both AI models got the exact same starting image and the exact same very specific prompt: karate man doing crazy backflips and fast motion karate like an action movie fighting against a karate army of people. And the results were fascinating. Kling 2.5 came back with a longer, 10-second video that looked super cinematic, really action-packed. Google's Veo, on the other hand, made a shorter, slower video that, well, it took a slightly more creative direction. And this moment, right here from the Veo video, just perfectly captures the wonderfully weird and unpredictable place AI is in right now. While Kling gave us a classic action scene, Veo had its main character, for no reason at all, headbutt the floor. It's a pretty funny reminder that these AIs, well, they still have their own unique creative ideas, I guess. So what's the engine that's driving all these incredible new features? Let's pop the hood and take a look at the core updates to Google's Gemini AI model, because it's the brain behind all of these new tools. Okay, first up are something they're calling gems. Now, think of these like custom-built AI assistants that you can create for really specific jobs. It's kind of Google's answer to OpenAI's custom GPTs, but they have one killer feature. You can share your custom gem with literally anyone just by setting them a link. This means you can basically build out your own team of AI specialists. I mean, you could create an SEO writer that already knows your brand's voice, a personal language coach, or a project assistant that gets your workflow. You can even feed them your own documents to give them specific knowledge, making them truly custom. And it's not just about personalization. Google also dropped its most powerful model ever called Gemini 2.5 DeepThink. And for all the developers out there, they released the new Gemini Live API, which is a tool designed specifically for building really sophisticated voice agents that can talk and interact in real time. And all of this kind of brings us to the big picture, right? As these incredibly powerful tools just demolish the technical hurdles to creating things, the value of a truly original creative idea becomes more important than ever. The whole game is shifting from how you build something to what you can even imagine building in the first place. Which leads us with this one final fascinating question. What's the new role for human creativity when AI can build anything we can describe?